Welcome to the online public involvement meeting for project design IDs 5630-0600 and 5630-0603 along Wisconsin Highway 78 in Sauk and Columbia County. This is a list of people who are working on these projects. Their contact information will be on the last slide of this presentation, which will include their emails and phone numbers, as well as the address of the Wisconsin Department of Transportation Southwest Region Office in Madison. Feel free to contact them with any comments, questions, or concerns regarding these projects. The proposed project 5630-0603 begins at the village of Merrimac northern limit and extends northeast for 2.83 miles, shown in orange, to the Wisconsin Highway 78 and County Highway DL intersection. The proposed project 5630-0600 is at Box Culvert C11 3005, which is approximately 0.23 miles north of Blau Road. The anticipated construction for these projects is summer 2026, and the projects will be using a detour route during construction. This means that during construction, Wisconsin Highway 78 will be closed to through traffic but will remain open for local and business access. The proposed detour route, shown in blue, will use Wisconsin Highway 60 and Interstate Highway 3990-94 for both northbound and southbound traffic. One reason for the projects is safety concerns. A safety concern for these projects are the existing guardrail and terminals shown in the photo on the right. These existing guardrail and terminals will be replaced with energy-absorbing terminals shown in the photo on the left, which are standard on all WIS projects now. The energy-absorbing terminals have shown to be safer in crash testing if a vehicle happens to leave the traveled way and strike the end of the guardrail section. Another reason we need the projects is to improve the condition of two box culverts along Wisconsin Highway 78. The photo on the left is of box culvert C11 2027 showing cracking and exposed rebar on the wing walls. The photo on the right is of box culvert C11 3005 showing the cracking and loose concrete. Another reason we need the projects is to improve the pavement deterioration along Wisconsin Highway 78. The current pavement is deteriorating and has extensive cracking as well as some rutting, resulting in Wisconsin Highway 78 having poor ride quality. The two photos highlight some of the cracking. The proposed projects include resurfacing Wisconsin Highway 78 shown in orange. The resurfacing involves removing 3.5 inches of existing surface and paving back 3.5 inches of new asphaltic material. The proposed project also includes structure improvements to the two box culverts shown in blue, located along the projects. The next collection of slides will explain each of the proposed improvements. Typical sections are broken up by project ID and sections with and without guardrail. Shown on this slide is a typical section for 5630-0603 without guardrail. As previously mentioned, the pavement will be milled to a depth of 3.5 inches and paved back with a depth of 3.5 inches. There will also be new shoulder aggregate. This typical section is for 5630-0603 at the box culvert C11 2027. Similar to the previous typical section, the pavement will be milled to a depth of 3.5 inches and paved back with a depth of 3.5 inches. The box culvert is planned to be extended. There will also be new shoulder aggregate, and the guardrail end terminals will be replaced with an energy-absorbing terminal. This typical section is for 5630-0600 at the box culvert C11 3005. The pavement will be milled to a depth of 3.5 inches and paved back with a depth of 3.5 inches. The box culvert is planned to be replaced with a longer culvert to accommodate 12-foot lanes and 5-foot paved shoulders. There will also be new shoulder aggregate, and like the previous section, the guardrail end terminals will be replaced with an energy-absorbing terminal. The box culvert C11 2027 will have structure work done, and the box culvert C11 3005, shown in the picture, will likely be replaced with a longer box culvert to allow for improved grading around the guardrail. In 2020, the survey, soil testing, and wetland determination for these projects were completed. On June 12, 2020, initial coordination letters were sent out to both the public and agencies. Lastly, in 2020, a local officials meeting was held in mid-November. Currently, the environmental report is anticipated to be completed by March 2021. There will be real estate acquisitions near the two box culvert locations, but not along the entire project. This is to accommodate structure work and grading for the guardrail. The right-of-way plat is anticipated to be done by May 2022, and the real estate acquisition will start once the right-of-way plat is complete. The plans for the project should be finalized by August 2025, and construction is anticipated to begin the next summer in 2026. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about these projects, please send us an email, give us a call, or send us mail to the Wisconsin Department of Transportation Southwest Region Office in Madison. Thank you for your time and have a great day.